Hey guys, how to use voice chat in Roblox. To use voice chat in Roblox, first, make sure you are 13 years or older. Next, go to the settings, press settings, and then to the account info, and verify age right here in the personal, right? And you will need a valid ID. Once verified, go to the privacy settings. So I'm gonna click account info again, go to the privacy, and you're gonna see trading inventory, ads preferences, blocked users, connections and contacts, visibility, and you're gonna see of course communication. And from within, you can go ahead and allow the voice chat or enable the voice chat, and then join a voice enabled game. Okay. Right here, let's have example this game. Go ahead and start playing the game, right? And plug in working mic and you're set. That's the core. Now let's unpack the details so you don't get stuck. First, the age verification. You need Roblox takes age pretty seriously for voice chat. You need to upload a government issued ID, passport, driver license, or ID card, a selfie scan so they know it's really you. And verification usually takes a few minutes, but sometimes up to 24 hours. Secondly, the voice chat. Go ahead, as we said again, settings, and then press the account info, and you're gonna see privacy and content restrictions, right? And you're gonna see communication, and from within you can enable voice chat, right? Look for the beta feature section and toggle on enable voice chat. If you don't see the option, it's either not rolled out to you yet or your verification isn't done. Now, using voice chat in game. Use or join the game. Join a game that supports VC. Not all Roblox games have it. Look for mic icon above other players' heads. That means they are using VC. Press and hold the key or just talk depending on game settings. So, privacy tips, right? For safety and privacy tips. If someone's being toxic, click their name, mute or block. Parents can disable VC under account restrictions. Everything you say is tied to your account, so keep it clean or risk moderation. So, use a good mic or headset. Background noise can get you muted fast. Join a smaller server first to test VC without chaos. And don't forget, Roblox is global. You might hear multiple languages in-game. And that's it. Voice chat in Roblox unlocks a whole new social layer, making games like role plays and team battles way more fun. Just remember, with great power, your mic, comes great responsibility. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.